Yeah, we're really excited to see what you think after being intimidated by it.
Yeah. Well, like I love hearing that the DIY will walk you through it still.
It will.
Whereas, like, that was where I was most intimidated of, like, doing it on my own was when I thought about doing it myself, I was just, like, so intimidated. I was like, well, if it doesn't work out and, like, we're not able to afford the program, I could just do it. And then he was like, well, how are you going to stay on top of it? And I was like, well, basically I've read that, like, you have to, like, send the letters out every 40 days. And I was like, well, I'll just print them all off and hang them up in my room and just be ready to grab them as, like, the 40 days rolls around. But this is way, way, way easier for sure.
And even more than that, though, is those letters you're sending out, got to have an intelligent tax strategy there, you know?
Yes. I was reading that, too, that, like, a lot of the times, like, they deny, like, your dispute so easy.
You challenged all 3 bureaus that fast?
Yeah. Yep,
Oh.
I did. I went on ahead and mailed them through you guys.
Sure, I mean, why not?
That. Yeah.
I mean, this is...
Saves me a trip to the post office myself, so.
Yeah, printing and the whole nine, you got to do nothing.
Okay, so I'm already done.
Was this as simple as I explained to you?
Yes, definitely.